What is going on, boys and girls? Welcome back to a brand new video. Now, before I start, because I'm British. Right, so today is a little bit different, as you could probably tell by the title, and also the fact that I'm in my room and this is not quite a Recaro racing bucket seat. Anyway, yeah, today I thought I would do something different. So I had this idea. I posted on the TT forums and asked you guys to post your pictures on a post, and then I will review your cars. Now, I've got quite a selection of cars here, and I don't know how long this is going to go on for. However, I know it's going to be fun, so make sure you stick around to potentially see your car in the list. And if not, I'm actually going to go and give you a way to be able to get your car in the next video. So this is episode 1 of Rate Your Ride. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. I'm excited to do this. There is another video coming for the TT that is very important, because at the minute it's actually sat on the drive broken. So an update coming soon. If you just take a look at the computer, so this is my Discord. This is basically a Discord that I set up for you guys. I'm going to leave a link in the description so you guys can go down, join the Discord. I'll leave a little bit of a sort of description as to how you do it. It's easy, it's completely free. Once you come on here, you'll go down to Rate My Ride. Rate Your Ride on the left hand side. So basically just click that, and at the top here I put an example post. So if you click this, copy the titles here, so you can just literally copy and paste this bit, and you can do new post, and basically the title is your name, your car, as I've done just down here, and then underneath you could sort of speak about any other cars you want to feature and any social media, and obviously include the pictures of your car, otherwise we can't look at it. So yeah, if you guys want your car to be featured in the next one, go down to the description, click the link in the description. You can join this Discord. As I said, it's completely free, but yeah, it's just another way that you guys can potentially hang out with me if you really wanted to. Enough is enough. Let's get on with the video. Rate My Ride, episode 1 by myself. This is the way that it's going to happen. So as you can see at the top left, we have name, and then next to that we have the car model and the comments and any social media. Number 1 or number 3. So Stephen Green, Audi TT Quattro Sport, starting off good here. Yeah, this car's nice. So he actually posted two other cars. So he's got the Quattro Sport there. I'm not too sure if he's still got the Quattro Sport or he just owns all 3 of these. If he does, that's pretty good. Just keep buying more cars, that's the dream. But yeah, he's got the Quattro Sport, the red one as well. Actually, it looks like similar colour wheels to mine as well, the anthracite grey. Not sure I'm a big fan of that. I'm not really a big fan of mine as well. But actually, we have got a sponsor coming up to be able to sort our wheels out. And I'm going to go black, even though everybody in the comments hates me for that, but oh well. Yeah, if you don't think I should have black wheels, post it in the comments, which most of you guys do anyway. But we've also got a 330i or 330D 3 Series. Really like that colour, gunmetal grey on the black. Definitely a fan of the black wheels. I think it just looks nice. If you don't know as well, I used to own a BMW 1 Series, which was black exterior and then red interior, red leather. It was, I'll put a picture on screen now, but yeah, that car was amazing. It was so nice. And I actually sold it to a guy that lived in Birmingham, and 2 weeks later he literally had it stolen off his drive. So Matthew, if you're watching this, I don't know, I'll put thumbs up. It's probably in South Africa or China now anyway, so rip. And then obviously next to that you've got what looks like a 225, I believe, with the Quattro Sport wheels on as well. So very nice, good choice. Next one, Hagen Slater, an Audi TT Mark 1 225. Can't really see too much of it. It's sort of like hiding behind some like stinging nettles here, but obviously went on a good drive, sort of maybe towards Scotland. I'm not too sure where this is, obviously by a big lake somewhere. But yeah, managed to catch a nice little picture there. Love the colour green as well. I'm actually looking for a Audi TT Roadster, either in like a green or the dark blue colour. I love these type of colours because not seen very often as well, and I like the fact they're quite, dare I say it, rare. But yeah, love this car. It's really nice. The green as well looks good, and it looks like it's maybe got black wheels. I'm not too sure. And one thing he did wanted me to mention is that he drove around as a Domino's driver for over a year in this car, which is pretty fucking badass. Probably didn't really earn a great deal of money as well, with having to put fuel in this whilst driving it around as a Domino's driver. Was probably net negative, to be fair, actually thinking about it. Oh, look at it. Guys, if you know your Audis and you know what this is, you'll appreciate this. So if you don't know already, this is Mike Morley's Audi TT Mark 1 ABT. Now this car is beautiful. It is so nice, and sometimes these actually get broken and some of the parts end up on other cars. So I've seen like the grille from an ABT for sale. I've seen the wing as well for sale at some point, but I've maybe seen like a body kit maybe once for sale the whole time I've had my car, which is like 6 or 7 years now, so quite a long time. And as is put there as well, so one of only 5 left. 5 left in the whole world, I guess you could say. Running at the 310, so slightly modified as well, which is nice. This car is absolutely beautiful. Love the colour as well. It's like a papaya orange. I believe this is the same colour as the other papaya orange. However, not 100% sure. This video, this picture is actually edited. And it looks like they've got one single wiper. I don't know if it is normally a mono wiper. I don't know too much about these cars. I actually saw one of these. I don't know if I saw 1 or 2 of these cars. I think it might have even been this one and the green one back in the day when I visited the TT shop. But yeah, if you guys want to watch that video, I'll put it at the top here. You guys can go watch that video. Beautiful car, and as well, it has got 40,000 miles, which is ridiculously low even by any Mark 1 standards. So yeah, I dread to think what this car is worth, but beautiful car, Mike Morley. And if you are close to the Leicestershire area and would like to maybe link up and sort of, you can talk to me about this car, I don't even mind driving to your house. Cheers, boys. Right, moving on. Now, Julian, his is an Audi TT Mark 1 225. And he put S-Line Special. I don't know if what this means. I'm not 100% sure as to S-Line Special. Don't know if that's even a thing. I know there's obviously S-Lines in the UK, but I didn't know you could buy non-S lines in the UK. So if you guys know more about the S-Line edition, drop it in the comments, let me know, educate me. So I mentioned before as well about the red leather seats, and this has the red leather seats. And I've seen them on the Audi TTs in person and they look so nice. It's such a vibrant colour as well. Exterior paint, Avis silver, good colour again. Very rare as well, I think, with the Quattro Sports. I know it's rare with the Quattro Sports, and I'm not 100% sure about the normal 225s. Looks in great condition as well, with red leather seats as mentioned. 6 years of ownership, so just underneath myself. And he also put a comment on there saying one of the best combos in my opinion. So Julian said that. So if you guys agree, again, drop it in the comments, let me know. But the colour combo is really nice here. And he also wanted me to put in his second car is a Golf GTI 25th edition, limited edition of 3000. So again, you could probably just see that at the bottom right there. Again, silver, most likely silver. Got a good taste in cars. The one thing I would change about this car is that it doesn't look like he's got a number plate on. I know that he's like sort of scribbled it out in the middle picture. You can buy this like infill panel on eBay. I think I got mine on eBay. It was like £55. But yeah, it's like a little infill panel that you can put within here. So if you don't run a plate, or you can stick just your plate on top, go and order that, get it paint matched, and it will just look so much better in my opinion. But yeah, let me know what you guys think anyway. But yeah, again, comment. I'm going to cut the video here anyway, boys. Hopefully you did enjoy this video. It was kind of fun to make. I want to make more sort of videos like this where I can sort of interact with you guys. But yeah, if you guys want to be featured in the next episode, please go to my Discord. If you guys haven't already, please hit the like button, also subscribe, and hit the bell icon as well, because you'll be notified every single time we upload. Plenty more videos coming up as well on the TT. Big video actually coming up on the TT that I need to fix. It was a warning light that you should never really hope for on a TT, which usually means the engine's blown. But I won't tell you guys anything more. I haven't even had a look at it yet. It's been sitting sort of on the drive for like 3 weeks now, so we need to get stuck into that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you have enjoyed this video. I know it's a little bit different, but I wanted to do something a little bit different. I want to keep the sort of broad sort of videos and video ideas coming on the channel. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I've been Josh. This is my Discord that you need to join. Remember, it's free. Join now. Link in description. But yeah, that was our POV. Peace out, guys.